Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Excel video series. So in the last class we have discussed about the formula. So in this class we are going to discuss about a sum if formula. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, I'm going to write the name here and then I'm going to write, for example, QTY. That QTY means quantity, and after that I'm going to write for the price here. So after that I'm going to make this stylish. So we have to give it the design. I'm going to the home section, and after going to the home section I'm going to apply the design. So as you can see, I'm going to write the name, for example, car. So as you can see, I have made a list that names what products I have. I have car, bus and bike. What is the quantity of those products and what is the price of those products? So as you can see, I have the car. I have 4,000 cars and the price of car is 60 rupees. So how we can figure out? I want to know that how many cars I have, what is their price. So in this way we can do this. So first of all, what we have to do? So we have to go to the data tab. So after going to the data tab, we have to go to the option which is called data validation. We have to click on this. We have to click on this option, select the list, and now we have to click, and now we have to select the only item names. We don't have to select the header row, and then press the enter and then press the OK. As you can see, list is generated here. You guys can check out this. Now I want that which item I'm selecting, there the price and the quantity should be mentioned here. So what we have to do, we have to write the is equal, and now we have to write the sum if, and then start the bracket. First of all, we have to select the whole table excluding the header row. Now we have to select the comma, and we have to write the comma, and after that we have to select the criteria, that what is the criteria. For example, this is the criteria, then comma. We have to select the summary, that what you want to know. Now I want to know the quantity, so close the bracket, press the enter. As you can see, how many buses we have 400 buses. So as you can see, I'm going to change the topic. I change the item, like bikes, we have 10 bikes. So in this way you guys can check the quantity and price as well. So in this way you guys can make the calculation like this. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.